A new style of miniature ASMR videos is quietly blowing up across social media right now, and creators are getting millions of views with insanely satisfying tiny disaster and rescue clips. These videos look so realistic and addictive that people literally keep watching them for hours. And the craziest part, they're being made with free AI tools in just a few minutes. So if you want to create these viral miniature ASMR videos completely free, this video will show you the exact step-by-step process from scratch. So first, open ChatGPT and go to Explore GPTs, then search for Mini Rescue Generator and open the first result. Now click on Start Chat and then tap on Start the Generator. As soon as you click it, ChatGPT will instantly give you 10 viral miniature rescue video ideas. Whichever topic you like, simply type that number and hit enter. So here I'm typing 1 and pressing enter. The moment you do that, it will generate both an image prompt and a video prompt for you automatically. Now, after getting the prompts, we'll generate the image first. And for that, we'll use Gemini. So open Gemini, click on the plus icon, and then select Create Image. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt, paste it into Gemini, and hit enter. It'll take a few seconds, and your image will be generated. So now you can see our image is ready. Next, we'll animate this image. And for animation, we'll use Google Flow like always. So simply search Google Flow on Google and open the website. Then click on New Project. After that, an interface like this will open. Now click here and select Frames to Video. Set the ratio to 9:16 and keep the result setting on 1:. Once that's done, click on Start and upload your image. As soon as the image uploads, click on Start again. Now click on Add to Prompt, so the image gets added inside the prompt section. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, paste it here, and press enter. It'll take just a little time, and your image will be fully animated. So now our miniature ASMR video is completely ready.
Fire! Help us! It's gone! Hooray! We did it! We are safe!
You can directly upload videos like this on Shorts, Reels, or TikTok. So if you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also comment below which niche you want the next tutorial on. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.